Cayenne pepper's spiciness is due to its active ingredient, capsaicin. This compound adds flavor to food and has numerous health benefits. However, cayenne is also effective against pests because of its ability to irritate their sensory receptors. Pests like rodents, flies, and ants possess sensitive nostrils and taste buds greatly affected by capsaicin. When they come into contact with cayenne pepper, or its derivatives, they experience a burning sensation that repels and gets rid of them. This natural reaction is a deterrent for pests, preventing them from invading your home or garden. Here are the best methods to repel pests with cayenne pepper. 1. Ants. Did you know that cayenne pepper can help you eliminate these pesky pests? It turns out that ants have an aversion to cayenne pepper. When ants ingest capsaicin, it damages their digestive system and causes death. Using cayenne pepper as an ant deterrent is effective and safe for humans and pets. Sprinkle a line of cayenne pepper along the entry points where ants usually invade your home or garden. This way, you create a barrier that repels them without harmful chemicals. You can also mix the pepper with water and spray it on the ants. This method keeps your surroundings free from these intrusive insects and ensures sustainability by avoiding toxic substances. 2. Rabbits. Rabbits might be cute, but some of this charm is lost after they wander into your vegetable garden to munch on the fruits of your hard labor. One of the best strategies to get rid of them is to use a natural deterrent before bunny invasions become a regular problem. One method many gardeners use is a homemade rabbit repellent with cayenne pepper. Fill a gallon-sized container with clean water. Plastic milk containers, thoroughly rinsed, are perfect for this purpose, since they come equipped with a cap and make transferring the final product into spray bottles much easier than it would be if you used a bucket. Add a heaping of 3 tablespoons of cayenne pepper to the water-filled milk container, followed by 3 tablespoons of red pepper sauce and a squirt of dishwashing liquid. Cap the milk container and shake vigorously. Allow the mixture to steep for 2 or 3 days. Use a funnel to pour the homemade rabbit repellent into clean spray bottles. Spray the leaves and stems of your plants and vegetables with this mixture, shaking the bottle to mix thoroughly before each application. Note that it will be necessary to reapply your pest repellent after every watering and after it rains. 3. Flies. Did you know that cayenne pepper can be an effective weapon against these pesky pests? Flies have highly sensitive taste receptors on their feet and mouth parts, implying that even the tiniest amount of cayenne pepper can deter them from landing on surfaces or food items. The spicy compound in cayenne pepper, capsaicin, is responsible for its fly-repelling properties. Sprinkling cayenne pepper in areas where flies congregate can create an invisible barrier that flies won't cross. Just like we avoid places with foul odors to protect ourselves from potential harm, flies steer clear of areas infused with the pungent aroma of cayenne pepper. You can also make a fly spray by mixing 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper in a misting bottle and spraying it near entryways and wherever you see flies. 4. Mice, rats, and squirrels. Rodents are some of the most notorious pests that homeowners encounter. These small but highly adaptable creatures can damage your home, health, and belongings. While there are many methods to eliminate them, one surprising natural solution is cayenne pepper. Rodents have sensitive noses that make it easier for cayenne pepper to send them packing. Sprinkling cayenne pepper in areas where you suspect mouse, rat, or squirrel activity can deter them from your home or living space. Besides, you can mix cayenne pepper with water in a spray bottle before spraying into corners and areas where they traverse. Its pungent smell is irritating for these critters and will drive them away. 5. Moles and voles. Moles and voles hate capsaicin. Simply mix chopped hot peppers or cayenne pepper with water and biodegradable dish soap and spray all vole hotspots around your yard and landscaping. This will help keep them from destroying your plants. There are also ready-to-spray capsaicin formulas that you can purchase. 6. Raccoons. Raccoons are the mischievous masked bandits of the animal kingdom. These animals cause hassle when they invade homes and gardens. They have no trouble getting into trash cans or causing havoc in our yards. This quality is due to their intelligent nature and dexterous paws. But did you know that you can use cayenne pepper to keep these critters away? These pesky mammals have an acute sense of smell, and the strong scent of cayenne pepper is enough to send them running in the opposite direction. Mix cayenne pepper with water and spray around potential entry points or areas where raccoons frequent. This act will create a barrier that is safe for humans and unpleasant for raccoons. Using cayenne pepper helps keep unwanted visitors at bay, whilst minimizing any negative impact on nature. So next time you spot those sneaky raccoons snooping around your property, sprinkle or spray some cayenne pepper for a natural way to reclaim your space. 7. Cats. Cayenne pepper can definitely help you fend off cats. Cats hate the smell of cayenne pepper, and that's one advantage that you have. So, you can simply add it to your garden. Sprinkle the spicy chili around your plants, or you can choose to spray it. 8. Opossums. Opossums have a keen sense of smell and are sensitive to capsaicin, the compound in cayenne pepper that gives it its spicy taste. Sprinkling cayenne pepper around your garden or garbage area creates an invisible barrier that opossums find unpleasant. If you want to take your opossum repelling efforts up a notch, you can create a cayenne pepper spray by mixing water and powdered cayenne pepper. Spray this mixture around areas where you've noticed opossum activity to provide an extra layer of protection. Remember to reapply after rainfall or watering for maximum effectiveness. The pungent odor deters them from invading your space. If they do happen to come into contact with the spice, it irritates their eyes and noses. This discomfort makes them less likely to return for food or shelter in that area. 9. Aphids. Aphids are tiny insects that can cause damage to your garden. These pesky creatures love to feast on the sap of plants, leaving behind a trail of destruction in their wake. They reproduce rapidly, making it challenging to control their population once they infest your plants. When sprinkled around your plants or mixed with water and sprayed onto leaves, cayenne pepper's pungent scent and taste repel aphids and prevent them from feeding on your precious greenery. Using cayenne pepper protects your plants from aphid destruction and prevents the need for chemical pesticides. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of pests using onions. Thanks for watching and bye for now.